Hello there everyone, just wanted to do a quick review on Cabin Max suitcase. This one is Velocity and the size of the suitcase is 55 by 40 by 20 and 25. So this is basically an expandable suitcase. So let's get into it. We're just going to Philippines and we thought we'd get something that's expandable so that we can take it into the smaller planes, as well as when we are on our way back and pay for extra and then get a more stuff in it on our way back. So here is the suitcase. I'll just take it out. So overall, first impressions very good. The quality of the suitcase is quite decent. So let's open it up and then see how. So here we go. So unveiling it. There we go. Okay, so it is a very good quality suitcase. I just hope they will fit and the domestic flights are acceptable when you fly with so let's have a look at the handle. It's got a nice feeling to it. It's quite sturdy, and there is rubber at the bottom, so it feels soft, and I think it's very comfortable hold. So that's very good, really good first impression. So we can have a look at that. That is really nice, sturdy. Press the button here and then go back down, and then it's got multiple layers of extension. Now let's have a so before we look into the inside, so I'll show you how to expand the compartment. So all we have to do is just open up this chain. Sorry, I'm using my one hand to record the video, so the bag is all over the place. So here you go. So what it does, it from 40 liter it becomes 50 liter. So basically it gives you about 5 centimeters expansion on the suitcase. So let's open this up and then look inside of the suitcase. Look at the wheel, quite sturdy, good quality stuff. So far I'm quite impressed with the quality. Let's have a look at inside very quickly. Quite standard as you would get in any suitcase. The quality of the inside feels quite nice, classy, and then you've got one compartment here, and you can put your socks and other accessories here. You keep it separate. I think overall very good, and I would highly recommend it. If you would like to purchase a suitcase like these, I've got this from Amazon. I've put a link at the bottom to make your life easier, and you can find or buy the color that you like.